Is your hair feeling like it's dry, damaged, thin, or just flat? Want volume, thickness, length, faster growth, more scalp coverage? Announcing Provilis, the best hair restoration system ever invented, featuring the only FDA-approved hair growth maximizer, minoxidil. This is the only system that targets the scalp, strands, and follicles all together using clinically proven ingredients. How can it do all of those things? The secret is in the scientific formula. Biotin, magnesium and zinc help your hair maintain strength and moisture. Iron increases blood flow to the follicles, delivering the rest of the enhancement cocktail. Other supplements fail to include bioperine, an extract which is essential in breaking down and absorbing the other ingredients. Without it, your body would not be able to utilize the formula, which would explain why you've used supplements before and saw no results. Provilis isn't just about regrowing hair, thickening roots, strengthening follicles, or creating a silky flow. It's about all of it. Click the link in the description for details and special price.